Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn off the total gird line on your Excel sheet in your Microsoft Excel mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to turn off the gird line or how to remove the gird line from Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. Click on plus symbol on the top and just open a document here. So now I just want to remove the gird line, you can see here. So if you're typing something like any data here, so double tap here and just type some data here, so you can easily view how the gird line will be removed here. Okay, after typing the data, I just going to remove the gird line. You just want to click on this arrow symbol and just change the home section to the view section, or just scroll down. You will see a three option. In the second option, you will see an option called gird line. Just untick this, which actually turn off the gird line. Now you can't see the gird line on the Excel sheet. This is how you just turn off the gird line on your, or how you can just remove the gird line on your Excel sheet in your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.